Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use a drop-down menu in your Wix website. Drop-down menus are an excellent way to organize your site's navigation, keeping your header clean while still giving visitors easy access to all your important pages. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to go to the Wix website and log in to your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your dashboard, look to the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with various options. From here, click on Website to proceed to the next stage. You'll now see all the websites associated with your Wix account displayed on your screen. Take a moment to look through them and locate the specific website where you want to add the drop-down menu. This is particularly helpful if you manage multiple sites, as it ensures you're working on the correct one. Once you've found your website, locate the Edit Site button, which is typically positioned beside a pen icon. Click on it to begin editing. This action will direct you to the Wix Harmony editor, which is where all your customization and design work takes place. The editor provides you with full control over your site's appearance and functionality. Now that you're in the editor, locate the plus Add Element menu on the top left corner of your screen. Click on it to reveal all the elements you can add to your site. From the Add Element selection, look for the option named Menu. In the menu section, you can either drag or click a horizontal menu to place it on your site. Position it where you'd like your navigation to appear, typically at the top of your page. To access the customization panel for your menu, double-click on the menu element you just added. A Manage Menu window will appear, giving you control over the menu's structure and content. From here, click on plus Add Item. You can do this multiple times depending on how many menu items you wish to include in your dropdown. Each item you add will become part of your site's navigation structure. When adding items, select Site Pages from the options presented. This allows you to choose which pages from your website you want to include in the menu. Once you've added your desired pages, locate the More Actions button on the right side of these added pages. It looks like a three-dot icon. Click on it to reveal expanded options, then choose Move under Home. Do this for each of the pages you want nested under your main menu item. This action creates the hierarchical structure necessary for a drop-down menu. Now you'll see an adjustment reflected in your menu element. On the top part of the menu settings, you'll notice a drop-down labeled as Regular Mode. Click on it and select Drop-down from the available options. This applies the drop-down functionality to your menu. To see how this drop-down menu works in action, click on Preview. Once the preview loads, hover your mouse over the menu item and you'll see the nested pages appear beneath it. This gives you a clear view of how your visitors will interact with the navigation, and there you have it, a fully functional drop-down menu on your Wix website. This setup helps you maintain a clean, organized navigation system that improves user experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.